Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC, and in today's video I will show you how to delete temp file or temporary file in your Windows PC with a simple command. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is to come down to your startup menu right here, right click on your startup menu, and this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and click on run. So what you want to do right here in this dialog box right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you type in this command %temp %, then go ahead and hit on OK. And this is going to pump up right here. And this file here is going to pump up right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of the temp file right here, just like what you see right here. So you have everything depends on the kind of the software, apps, and everything you have on your Windows PC and how long you have been using some of these apps. So the more you scroll down, the more you see all temp file on your Windows PC. So what you want to do right here is to go ahead and press Ctrl A to select everything, and then press Shift key and Delete key on your keyboard. And this is going to pump up right here. Are you sure to permanently delete this 446 item? Go ahead and hit on yes. Then allow everything to delete. So I'm saving about 607 megabytes. So allow everything to be deleted, just like what you see right here, and you are done. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.